Oh, that's nice.
I hope it goes in the street.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. We have Noah Pepsi, and we also have Courtney Pepsi.
Courtney Pepsi. Which one are we doing first?
You're doing Noah.
We're doing Noah. Noah's gonna. Oh my God, he's already exploding.
I'll put the Mentos in since I have the camera.
Okay. Well, I don't want to get wet, so I'm gonna move.
I think all we need is one, right? Or
No,
do
we can
want
have the whole fucking thing.
How do people open these?
Okay, we have one. Taste
And-
test. Yep, no wonder they put them in there. This shit's ass. Oh shit! Guys, don't try this out. Yo, it's gonna go on the fucking road. Oh my God. Yo.
We have Courtney.
Courtney's about to fucking explode.
Jacob's mom, if you didn't know.
Oh. Jacob, shout out to Jacob. He's the real OG. We only have two. Ready, go. Yo.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Are you gonna throw them in there?
Yeah.
No, all at the same time. Just throw them all.
Throw them all?
And we can make it slow motion, and it'll look really cool.
Oh my God.
No, we gotta throw it away. Wait, we actually probably shouldn't touch this.
No, we need to throw that away.
This might be laced. Wait, we can throw this away now. Do you have a trash can that we can throw this away at? Thank you.
Okay, what are you doing?
How much, do you know how much this is?
That's way too much. We don't have no money.
No, but that's like the best grape juice ever.
And how much money do you have left?
$3.55. We don't have money. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Also, we're like, there's not an age. Holy shit, that's a kid from last time. Are you the kid with the broken shoe? Were you the kid with the hole in the shoe? Did you have the hole in your shoe?
I know more.
Were you the same kid? Oh, you weren't there. No, it's THWAM.
Yep, sorry.
THWAM.
T-H?
T.
Tam? You, nigga, it sounds like you're saying slam. And you're saying T-A-M-T.
Are you illiterate, perchance?
Where are we going?
I'm not gay. You are gay.
I said, are you illiterate? And you called me gay. What?
Oh, I didn't say this word. This word makes my legs hurt.
We're getting in your exercise. You're gonna be a strong man one day.
Nigga, you even run 8 miles straight like me? Okay, shut up.
Yes, I can, actually. I ran a 60-second 100 one day. Don't even try me. Can you turn around for the thumbnail? You need to make a big shocked face for the thumbnail. You're gonna be YouTube famous.
No!
If I score, it's gonna be 6-7. Do a victory dance. Hold on, let's go up here for the Thwam video. It'd actually be a good idea. I'll beat you guys to the other side. Hold on, wait. This is gonna look cool. Keep pushing. You gotta get slower. Pushing. Oh my god, I thought that was...
Yeah. Jacob.
Yeah.
Come to my house.
No, I'm not going
We can
to
just
your
play
house.
Call of Duty or something.
No.
Yeah, can you ask if we can all go over to your basement like today?
Jacob.
Actually, that's good.
The one with the camper?
You can pull in there, that's fine.
Are we done?
My house is over there. She could pull in there though. We own both of them, it's fine.
Okay, found it.
Where's your motion sickness stock?
Segment.
Sigma dots?
Hi guys. Today we will be making Squid Game cookie.
I did look at it.
I've played these games. You looked up shaking cookies.
By the way, they taste so bad. And I made like a... I almost,
Sugar?
I almost made,
So we need to get...
did I really just forget that melody? Nah.
Big old barrel of flour.
Every single one. It's 432 degrees.
No,
Grab a spatula from over there.
Yes.
okay.
I think I put tape on the tinfoil. Is that gonna be a problem?
That is spatula.
The golden spatula. Are we serious? Did he just touch it?
Get the spoon down there.
Are we done? We're buried down there.
No.
Go back to the direction video.
Okay, until it all turns golden brown, we add baking soda.
Then we had to semen.
Honestly, I didn't even wash it, Dave. This is off the...
Off the dome.
Jacob is like the same person as The Weeknd.
We made a smoke bomb.
We did it.
We did not do it.
The coolest down.
Ew.
You forgot something.
Thwamiversary.
Here, Jacob, let me see it.
Thwamiversary cookie.
We need more peanut butter.
Do we? Thwam cookies. Let's give it a little nudge.
Stop. Move. Are you pouring in? I think that's good enough. Evan, we can stop.
No, we can't.
I'm gonna grab a handful.
No, Gabe, stop.
Did you like the part where I put salt and pepper in there?
What?
Did you not see me rip the packet open and dump it in?
I thought that was sugar.
And come and like take
Wait,
out.
it actually looks better.
Does it? Did you not just see it slime down the
Kid,
wall?
does anybody...
Lift it up again.
Kid, can you go to TikTok on your thing?
TikTok on my thing. None
On,
of
on your...
You're the only one in this room that has TikTok.
I don't... My phone's charging.
Good for you.
Hey, can we have more sugar flour?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go look up how to actually do it. Okay?
No, please help.
I'll be right back.
No, look.
Don't make a mess.
Gabe, stop.
We're not making messes.
Oh my god.
Inside of the Thwam cookie.
What? You're gonna eat it? I'll...
Flaking like Play-Doh.
Well then, hurry up. Or you wouldn't just took a bite. Whose phone is that? Oh, it's mine.
It's not that bad.
No, it sucks.
It sucks, but it's
Oh my god.
flipper.
The Thwam cookies are done.
Thwamiversary.
Well, at least they're not. The Thwam cookies are done.
Oh, it is 1 at night, dog.
No, it's not. It's 12:47.
Oh, it's 5 in the
Nuts.
morning.
Yo, they actually wait. They actually feel like cookies.
Dude, I'm so hungry.
I got you. You need to stop.
I'm gonna eat this.
No, you are not. Right now, go.
No, I have to wait till.